This is Study 75, aka Subhit Mukherjee. Today I am showcasing my project SynTech for Tech Titans Hackfest 2025. So let's begin without any further ado. So basically this is a personalized AI tutor that teaches coding. Now you might be wondering that people can learn coding via ChatGPT or let's say W3 schools. There are a lot of resources, right? And what's different in it? The thing is, they have a set method of coding. So I'm just logging. I'll show you everything, right? They have a set method of learning. Now, as you can see, it generates Python lesson. Like basically, I'm explaining the whole thing. So in ChatGPT or in anything, you have like you ask them for what you want to learn. They give a documentation on that or an explanation on that, and then you go to the next page, the next explanation, and for ChatGPT, next prompt, the next explanation. But you don't assess it, right? What this does is it asks Gemini to create the lesson on based on the level, right? Okay, you have levels here. So based on the level, Gemini creates this lesson. So first level, obviously Python. It's you can have three languages for it. Now I will upgrade them later. So Python, the first lesson obviously print. So now if like write a Python program that prints your name, age, and result of writing 10 to your age, right? So let's say I print it like this. So I have written this code in a very amateur way, right? You can just define variables like name equal to age and age equal to 18 and then just do this. But this is not a proper way of writing. So, but I have technically done the thing. So technically, any program would just run the code and give it okay. But if I submit a solution now here, yep, there's the feedback. The code prints the name, age, and age position, but it doesn't meet the requirements of the exercise because it uses hard-coded values instead of variables. Right. Basically, every exercise requires the answer to be perfect. So, for the perfection, you need to define the variables. Right. So, that's why it will force you to define the variables like name equal to age equal to 18, print name, print age plus 10, which is actually a good method. Now, if I, let's say, for the sake of uh, simplicity, I just control C and just paste the thing here, right? And I submit a solution, it will give the correct answer and start the next lesson. Now, remember that I made the mistake on variables, right? So, the next lesson should be generated on variables. As you can see, the next lesson is on variables. So, basically, what it does is it fetches what mistake you are making and generates lesson based on that, and then it will again give an exercise here. So that's how this works, and so same works for Python, JavaScript, C, every like, and anything I will add later will work the same. So it's basically a personalized AI assistant that technically judges you based on the code you write, making you a perfectionist in coding whatever you are coding. That's SynTech for you. Thank you. Peace out.